In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert cutout people in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find high-quality figures with transparent backgrounds and how to place and polish them so they look like they belong in your slide. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation where you want to add your cutout people. If you're working on something important, it's a good idea to save a copy first so you can experiment freely. Navigate to the specific slide you want to enhance and take a quick moment to think about composition. Leave a bit of space where the person will stand so your text and visuals don't feel cramped. Now look to the ribbon across the top of PowerPoint. If you don't see it, expand it, then head to the Insert tab. From there, choose Pictures and then select Stock Images. This opens Microsoft's built-in image library, which includes a dedicated collection called Cutout People. These are images of people with the background already removed, so they drop onto your slide cleanly without extra editing. In the Stock Images window, switch to the Cutout People category, browse the options, or use the search bar to narrow by action, emotion, or context. For example, typing presenting, thinking, or teamwork. You can select a single person or hold down the modifier key to select multiple images at once if you're building a scene. When you've made your choice, click Insert and PowerPoint will place them directly onto your slide. With the cutouts on the slide, it's time to adjust. Drag to position the person where they naturally guides attention, often near a headline or pointing toward important data. Resize from a corner handle to keep proportions looking realistic, and use the rotation handle to angle the pose slightly if it helps the layout. Under picture format, fine-tune the look. A subtle shadow can help the person sit on the slide, while keeping color adjustments minimal preserves a natural skin tone. If you need the person facing the other direction, choose Rotate and Flip Horizontal. Use Arrange to bring the person in front of or behind other objects, and Align to snap them perfectly with your layout. The selection pane is handy if several items overlap, and grouping elements keeps your layout stable when moving things around. For accessibility, add concise alt text describing the person's action or role. When everything feels balanced, repeat on other slides for consistency and save your presentation. That's it. Clean, modern visuals with cutout people done right.